Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful designs, very stunning video. Then this video is all about the crochet granny squares. Crochet granny square ideas are used in different patterns, different stylish videos, are amazing and good looking designs and perfect videos. If you guys are interested in my videos in my channel, in these stunning, these perfect and gorgeous videos are good looking designs of granny square. Granny squares are used in different things of crochet. Crochet's different things are used in different patterns, especially for you, in which beautiful designs, and this is amazing, this is stunning and more creative videos. Are you like more elegant designs and so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like a fantastic videos? And basically we have to share with newest designs, keep attractive, keep sharing, and more fabulous ideas, in which more creative videos and different patterns, different good looking videos. In which perfective videos, and this is so elegant designs and different patterns are available, more creative videos, ideas, different and gorgeous videos, so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like a fantastic designs, fantastic videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All new members, all new subscribers are fantastic and elegant videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos.